Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff Vacuum Model 39883. This machine is designed specifically for pet owners with powerful suction, HEPA filtration, and tangle-free brush roll. If you struggle with pet hair and allergens, this one might be your solution. Let me break down the specs. It features lift-off technology where the pod detaches for portable cleaning. The tangle-free brush roll prevents hair wrap around the brush. HEPA media filtration traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. Powerful suction handles embedded pet hair on carpets and upholstery. The tangle-free brush roll is a game changer for pet owners. Unlike traditional vacuums where long hair wraps tightly around the brush, this one is designed to prevent that. Less time cutting hair off the roller means more time actually cleaning. Lift-off technology adds serious versatility. Detach the lightweight pod and carry it upstairs or use above floor with the included tools. The main unit continues working while the pod tackles furniture and tight spaces. Filtration is top tier. The HEPA media filter combined with allergen trapping system keeps dander and dust inside the vacuum. Great for households with allergy sufferers or multiple pets. Included tools cover all pet hair needs. Pet Turbo Eraser tool works on upholstery and stairs. Extension wand reaches high and tight areas. Crevice tool and dusting brush handle every surface. All tools store onboard for easy access. Suction power is impressive. It cleans deep in carpets where pet hair hides. The easy empty dirt tank releases debris mess-free. Swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture effortless. If you want a powerful pet-focused vacuum with HEPA filtration and tangle-free brush roll, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff delivers. Link to buy on Amazon is in the description. Thanks for watching.